fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today I am here to talk about a very important topic and do a giveaway. So today I'm here to talk about an alarm system that you do not have to do a monthly fee on. You do not have to have technicians to come out to hook it up. You don't have to worry about holes in your walls, and it takes 10 minutes to set up. Today I'm here to talk about the OXA Smart Wi-Fi alarm system. So this alarm system works with your Wi-Fi. It has a doorbell button in it. It has a motion sensor. It has contact sensors, which are the sensors that you put on your doors or windows, so if they open, you can hear them open. And it has a key fob, so you can use this when you are in the home with your key fob, or when you leave your home you can use your key fob. And it also gives you the option of using an app, so you can control this alarm system on an app. Now when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. This right here is the smart hub. This little black thing is the smart hub. Of course, you know that this is the doorbell. And down up in here you have, let me see if I can get it. You have your key fob right here. And you have a little tool to put everything together. So everything you need to do this alarm system is right in here. It has the little what you call these things, screw mounts, I think that's what they're called. Leave me a comment to let me know what these are actually called, the little white things. And you have command strips in here to put it up. Your motion sensor, and you have, to start off with, 2 contact sensors. So this right here is everything that you will need to protect your home and to make you feel a little bit more at ease, especially if you are a single person living on your own and you just want to have a little bit of more security than what you already have in your home. Works with both Android and OXA or iPhones, iPads and stuff, Apple products. And it works with Alexa, Amazon Alexa. You can kind of see it kind of looks like Alexa over here. So it gives you two ways to put the app on your phone. You can either try to use the barcodes, and if the barcodes doesn't work, it gives you how to type in the actual name of the app in the App Store. Okay, so this is the page that you will go and set up your app on, so you can control it by phone, or you can control it by your keypad. The barcode on the back of the instruction pad, that barcode right there, it takes you to our favorite spot. Takes you to YouTube, and it has a YouTube video that will tell you how to operate it. So I'm going to leave this link down in the description box so you guys can actually have this as well. So this little book comes with all the information that I'm giving you. It also has an opportunity. It comes with 2 sensors for the doors or windows, but you have the option of adding on to this alarm system by just buying more sensors. And it does work off of Wi-Fi, so you do have to have internet to be able to use the product. It gives you a little diagram of what everything is for on the keypad. It shows you how to actually set it up on your windows and doors and everything. And it gives you some troubleshooting things in case you can't get anything to work. And it also has a customer service number that you can get in contact with. This retails for $69.99, but today I am going to give this to one of you guys, one of my subscribers. So the only thing that you have to do to be entered in this giveaway, first, as always, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and down in the comment section I want you to write what security or peace of mind mean to you in your home. And then I will randomly pick someone. I am going to let this run for 72 hours because I noticed that with this size, 72 hours, mostly all my followers that are faithful have already reviewed the video. Tuesday I will close it and I will pick a winner randomly, and I will post the winner down in the description box. Also, I will pin them in the comment section. But don't fret if you do not win it. It's an investment. It's an investment of your peace of mind and your security. And for less than $100, you can have some safety and security in your home. So don't forget that to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and down in the comments tell me what it means for you to have peace of mind in your own home. I love you guys. Bye bye.